So we got a not so sunny day today. Not making much power either. We're only making, some focus. Oh boy, only 370 watts there and 230 watts here. We're running off the reliable and the transformer again. So people are asking about this transformer. All it does is, this reliable puts out 120 volts. That's the one I ordered. You can also order 240 volt. So I have a 120 volt model. I have 120 volts going into my transformer, and this transformer has two windings right beside each other. So what it does is when the 120 goes into here, it actually doubles the power. So it'll go, not doubles the power, doubles the voltage. So it'll turn 120 into 240, but I also have 120. So it's actually split phase. So while I have 120 going up and down on this side, I have the exact same thing on the other side doing the opposite. So what I'm getting is, as at the two peaks, I believe it is, one side will go up 120 volts and then it will go negative 120 volts. And that gives me 240. It works really well. I also have a 3000 watt version that I used to use for my well pump. It was not really powerful enough. It would sag in voltage. It was almost like a soft start for it. I didn't like it. This one's much better. This one also takes a lot more power to run. Yeah, it's pretty inefficient, but I mean, between the two, it's a cheap way to get around having an inverter that's not split phase. Just getting a transformer. I believe this one was like 300 bucks, but that's 10,000 watt. You think you can get a 3000 watt transformer that'll do the same thing? Not as much power, obviously, but that one was about $89 or something like that. Yeah, still doing really good. Really like this thing. We just did the dishes on it. We made breakfast or lunch on this thing. We made KD. And I made a coffee. Everything worked flawlessly. It's running the house. And we're going to see how long we can stay off grid today, because I don't like going below 30 or 40% on the batteries if I can help it. We're at 62.6 volts right now. This one says 63, but this one reads high. And we'll see how long we can go. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Well, guys, this is cloudy day number 2. This was supposed to be sunny. Hopefully it clears up, but it's already 2:30, so I doubt it. And last night, or this morning when I woke up, the batteries were down to 59 volts, which I have not seen in a while. But we are going back up, even though we're only making around 1,000 watts. It must have been a little bit sunny earlier, because we got some more power. So probably had a little bit of sun earlier, so we got us up to 63 volts. Still running off the magnesign. Sorry, not the magnesign, the reliable. As you can see, magnesign is off. Everything's running really good. Really happy with this thing. And I think today we're going to do that compressor test. Let's see how that goes. Yeah, this thing does not even get that warm. That's awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. How's it going, guys? We're at the work trailer. We got a 100-foot 12 gauge extension cord going to the house where it's plugged into the garage. The reliable electric 8,000 watt inverter is what is powering the garage. It's not powering the rest of the house, just because I didn't want like the well pump to turn on, or the furnace, or see, there's 3 big ones in my house, or the central vac to turn on while I had this running, because obviously that make it so this wouldn't work. So the reliable's only running my garage, which has a couple chargers, a couple lights. It's almost nothing, maybe like 100 watts at the most. So this is straight off the reliable, and let's see how she goes. You can hear a soft start. You can definitely hear it. She runs no problem. So, that little buzzing at the beginning, you don't get that on grid power because grid power obviously doesn't have a soft start. You could definitely hear it, but she started it. That's awesome. That's amazing. I'm really impressed. Really happy. The only other inverter that's ever started this compressor was actually two inverters. Sorry, it was the Magnasign and the 12 volt 3000 watt with a 6000 watt surge Antrax SW3000. But that one when it started, I definitely think it started a little slower. This one starts like, I'll do it one more time. That's impressive, man. That's really good. I have no idea what the specs are on this motor. Here we go. What's this on the side? Let's see if we can see this. Can you guys see that? It's 120, 240. You can use either or on this thing. 1.8 horsepower. Blah blah blah. Thermal protected. Okay, so it's 1.8 horsepower. That I did not know. That's actually pretty high. I think that's right here if you guys can see it. Come on, baby. You guys can probably see that. Anyways, we're in the trailer. It's messy again, but we got the off-grid system in here with the reliable on. It's been on now for weeks, probably 2 weeks straight. Just running my house trailer because this one has 1000 watts of solar. I ordered a 60 amp MPPT eSmart 3 for this trailer because it's got 1000 watts of solar on it. Not that we needed one that big, but I like to overkill things. Anyways, that's the test for you guys. It can start this thing, so that means this has over 6000 watt surge and started no problem, so that's awesome. Thanks for watching. Alright, now we're back inside. This is where the garage is plugged into. Just directly in. Did not go through the transformer or anything, so there was no 240 being drawn or anything. I don't know if that would start through the transformer or not. This might have too much waste and might overload it. I don't know. But straight out of the unit, ran it no problem. So that is awesome. I'm really liking this inverter. Short. The only thing I haven't done is a long-term test, which is going to happen. Right now the Magnasigns are back on, but I'm going to shut them back off. We're running off this again. This is a 2-week mark, I believe. No, week and just over a week mark. And everything's great so far. Just got to wait for long-term testing, so if you guys want to wait a year to see how this thing's doing in a year, but as of right now, I recommend this inverter. I really like it. I like how it handles loads and how it starts them and how it overloads. When it overloads, that's it. It just shuts off. You have to go restart it. It doesn't try to start up again or anything like that, which is the safest way to do it. And yeah, I really like it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. We didn't make a whole ton of power today. We made some power. And this is after... Oh, one of these fans are making a funny sound. And this is after 2 days of cloud. And we are off-grid the whole time. It's amazing. We had a full day of sun, and then so we hit full charge, and then 2 days of cloud, and we just slowly lost voltage. And today we had a little bit of sun. We gained, but that's about it for today for sun. So we're not making hardly any power. Yeah, we're making like no power. So that's about all we're going to make today. And tomorrow's going to be rain again. So we'll probably make it through tomorrow, and hopefully Tuesday's going to be sunny. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys are interested in buying one of these. I'm going to if you do buy one of these, it would really help if you sent when you bought one, or even if you bought a lower wattage model, just in your notes say going off grid sent you or anything like that. That just lets them know that that you found it on my channel, and you purchased it through my little bit of advertising I do for them. And then what that does is, when there's another inverter I would like to test, they either give it to me for free or give me a large discount. Like this one, they just gave me a large discount. They didn't give me this one for free. But yeah, appreciate it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.